Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin D2 Bravo Titanium, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. We need to start by pressing and holding the light button to open the menu. And once the menu opens, you should see basically stopwatch and timer list of options. You can scroll through the menu by using the up and down buttons. So scroll through the menu, find the option called Do Not Disturb, and once you select it, press the Start button. And here we have the status. If you want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, it needs to be on. So to switch it to on, press the Start button, and it's gonna switch to on. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face, like that. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. To disable it, press and hold the light button again to open the menu. Scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode option, press Start button, select the status and press the Start button to switch it to off. And then press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.